In this video, I will show you how you can enable always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to the settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Now over here, you will find all the lock screen and always on display settings. Now to turn on always on display, just tap on always on display and make sure that this toggle is turned on. After you do that, then just tap on when to show. And from here, just select when you want to show the always on display on your Samsung phone. As you can see, it is currently on tap to show. And in this mode, if you turn off the screen of your Samsung phone, you will be able to turn on always on display by just tapping on the screen, just like that. But you also have a few other options like auto. And in auto mode, your Samsung phone will show the always on display always unless it detects that your phone is in your pocket or your purse. After that, you have the option for always, and in this mode, it will show the always on display always. As you can see, if I turn off the screen of my Samsung phone, it will show the always on display. And you also have the option for scheduled, and from here you can set a specific schedule as when you want to enable always on display. Also, you have the option for new notifications. And in this mode, as the name suggests, it only turns on the always on display when you receive a new notification. And this is how you can enable always on display on the Galaxy A37 or the A57. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.